Well, yes, we are at an important G200 Summit of Anand Rathi, and first we are joined by Anand Rathi sir, who is the chairman of the Anand Rathi Group, and also Pradeep Gupta is there. He's the vice chairman of this group. Welcome, gentlemen. First question, Anand sir, for you is the G200 Summit. What is this summit all about? If you could actually speak us through.
This summit is basically to present the India's unfolding growth story. Though people think that India is little higher valued market, but the way growth is coming in India and the way corporates are doing wonderfully well, I think we thought this is the right time and right occasion to bring these, growing companies in India and present it to the investors world.
Well, that's a very interesting take. Pradeep, what about the numbers over here? How many companies are coming? How many people are expected? If you could just give us some numbers about this conference.
So we are really excited to probably invite, and I think about 158 companies are participating in this. And the response is enormous. I mean, all across, if we really talk about clients, I think most of the clients are participating, ask for the meetings. And more than 5,000 meetings we are right now, we have already arranged and organized. So we are really encouraged and excited, and I personally believe that I think they are going to get what they are looking for from this summit.
Well, the numbers are huge. 5,000 meetings, 200 odd companies. It's a mega event.
Yeah.
But sir, the entire question arises is your entire group level strategy. What is the vision like? Next 3 to 5 years, where does the group stand? If you could just give, what's your strategy plan going ahead?
Sure. As you are aware that we are already one of the leading financial services group in the country, and this business has great opportunity. So we are primarily 3-4 main businesses: wealth management, the stock broking and institutional broking, the NBFC, and the insurance broking. And I believe that in all the 4 areas, there are great opportunities. We are already growing 25 to 30% or more in all these businesses. So we see great growth coming. Our goal always has been that we must be amongst the top 3-4 players in whatever business we are in.
Well, yeah, you have talked about it. There's financialization theme, the digitization theme, and of course the Bharat has also picked up. Now, importantly, Pradeep, the question is, in the next 2 to 3 odd years, is there any new verticals going to come, or are you going to look at something, any strategic kind of a tie-up with fintechs? What is that, the short term next 2 to 3 years, what's there in the ground for you?
Yeah, of course, we are constantly strengthening all our verticals. As you rightly said, we are present in almost all financial gamut, where probably wealth management is one part, investment and broking is one other part, where institutional broking is part of it. And then insurance broking is another part, investment banking is another part. So every single vertical is constantly strengthening them. NBFC is another part. So everywhere we are strengthening, and as you rightly said, digital journey is happening, and every single business is moving towards digital journey, creating a strong digital platform. And I personally believe that's going to be another game changer with our group over a period of time. So every single business bringing a digital deliveries, bringing and incorporating all the digital deliveries over there and trying to strengthen that.
So we can expect a super app coming in the financialization space?
Yes, of course, we are already there, and we are strengthening that. Constantly innovative things are happening. And just to mention over here also, we do have our own IT team, which is being created and carved out by an AR IT team, who are constantly assisting all these businesses to develop this digital journey for them, as well as the plan is to probably somewhere down the line create an IT company which can probably serve and create products for a financial industry.
So now from a service-led, a product-led transformation is on the way. Now from traditional, the digital play is coming in. Very rightly said. But the question is, Anand sir, is we all are eager to ask, kaunsa stock, kaunsa sector. Which segment do you say, you're bullish on for India going ahead for the next 3 to 5 odd years?
See, basically, when country grows, the rate at which we are growing, we are the fastest growing economy in the world. Every sector will grow. I think, but still, they are always flavor of the day, flavor of the time. So right now, obviously, infrastructure, the financial services, the banking system, pharma, they are flavors. But if you take 3 to 5 years, I think every sector is going to grow, and therefore I think the skill lies in identifying the stocks within each sector. You know, as far as sectors are concerned, every sector will really grow and grow reasonably fast.
And to just put the perspective in the emerging markets, of course, the valuation concern was there, something which you had spoken about. But we looking at other countries in the emerging market basket. Still, India stands strong. The earnings has been a show of strength. The mid caps, small caps are doing well.
Yeah.
So, what's your view on the overall growth? You know, especially in the emerging market baskets. How is it looking like? How is India placed?
India is placed extremely well because you know the strengths which we have are unique. You know, great demographics, great digital growth which is coming. Every sector infrastructure growth is so high. So look at any side. I think India and the type all sectors. You know, India's strength is not like with one or two sectors. It's a strength all over. And being the largest population in the world, the youngest population in the world, the enormous potential is there. So I think that the country's growth in next 10-15 years is going to be great. Having already achieved close to $4 trillion now, imagine when we'll become $25-30 trillion economy. The type of growth, I think. So I see, in spite of valuations looking little higher compared to others, but our situation is entirely different. Our growth trajectory is entirely different. So I think even today the valuations are not overstressed if you are taking a long-term view.
And last question, when will Sensex touch the 1 lakh mark?
First of all, it will touch 1 lakh mark for sure. Okay. Now, when is a question? I believe that you can safely take about 12 to 14% growth in Sensex in next 5-10 years, and that would mean in next 5 years maximum. I think you should be able to see the Sensex touching 1 lakh.
So the target is 2028.
Yeah, I think before this decade is over, in 20s, we should be able to see 1 lakh index.
All right, sir, we'll leave it till there. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for taking your time for ET Now. Thank you.
Thank you. I would like to extend my best wishes and greetings to all the viewers of ET Now on the occasion of Diwali. I think this is one of the brightest Diwali which we are having, and I'm sure that you will all celebrate, enjoy it very well, and obviously will enjoy investing in the markets now. All the best.